Got a 2003 Toyota Highlander and our left brake lights are not working. Let's see if we can get in here and figure this out. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a 2003 Toyota Highlander and the left brake light is not working. Neither bulb is lighting up, so I suspect it might not be the bulbs, but we're gonna open this up, take a look, and see if we can figure it out. Turn your lights on. Take your foot off the brake. Okay, so we've got lights on this side, lights on this side. All right, step on the brakes. Okay, we've got brakes on the right and not on the left, but our bulbs look like they're okay. I think we've got a problem with our switch on the inside. Now, they make this really easy to get to. There's this access panel in the back. All you need to do is pull on these two little tabs and pull that off. Now, that gives us access to the brake light bulbs. Now, all I'm doing right now is checking the bulbs. All we have to do is just twist and pull this straight out. And there's the bulb. Now that does look like it's kind of darkened in color, but the filaments are not burned out. What I suspect is going on is the actual connector itself is not making a really good connection here. This connector is where the entire harness goes into. You see there's no other wiring, it's just all through here. So I suspect that we have a problem with this connector fitting itself. Sometimes these little tabs will corrode or they just won't make good connection. So let's go ahead and take this off and take a closer look. All we have to do is push in that tab to pull that off. Now this is our reverse bulb and this one looks like it's in good shape. Let's just pull this one out and take a closer look at our connector here. Doesn't look too bad, but I think there might be a little bit of contact issue. Sometimes you can bend these up or clean them. Now you can also just replace it with a new one. This is a Toyota brand plug socket, they call it. Now again, this bulb looks fine as well. This is a 7440. Now the brake light bulbs, the filaments still look intact, but you can see that there is some dark spots around the side, so they probably have both gotten really hot, probably because of excessive resistance in this bad connector. Now it's probably not a bad idea to change these out, but because the filaments look intact, I'm gonna pop them back in and see if they still work. Once you have it through, just twist it to lock it in place. Same with this one here. Push it, lock it in place. And then we're going to replace this socket or connector. Let's go ahead and put the reverse light bulb back in there. That looks good. And then we'll connect it like so. And just put it in and twist it. That looks good. Probably just a bad connection or a little bit of a short inside this little socket or this little connector. Now, if you're in a bind, you could always try to brush this to clean off that corrosion and maybe even bend these tabs up. It's pretty inexpensive, so I just picked up a new one. And of course, I'll get a link in the description, but the part number is 90075-60036. But let's go ahead and test it before we put this cover back on. I've got the owner in the car, so go ahead and step on the brake. Hey, they work. Looks good. Both of them work just fine. You can see that they work great now. It's just this little connector, very unique Toyota design, but all of the wiring runs through this right at that connection right there at the reverse light. But let's go ahead and test all the other lights just to make sure. Okay, keep your foot on the brake. Go ahead and put it in reverse. Okay, perfect. Now go ahead and try the left signal. Good. Let's take a look at this side as well. Yep, reverse light works. Do the right signal. Perfect. All right, put it in park. All right, go ahead and take your foot off the brake. Now turn the light on. Very good. Lights are working as well. Both sides. This is good to go. All right, now that we know everything works, we can put this cover back on. Just line that up and snap it in place. And that was it. It was just this connector that was bad, causing these brake lights to not work. You can see that the bulbs were still good, or at least the filaments were intact, even though there was some black spots on the bulb. You know, it's probably not a bad idea for the owner to pick up a couple spares and keep those in the glove box now that they know where to change them. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description to this connector along with some of those replacement bulbs as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.